Right, so as I was removing the before I removed the transmission, once I removed the bottom PTO, I actually had access to the gears, and I just turned the gears by hand on the transmission to see what was happening, to see if there was any play or anything coming from the clutch, and there was a loud clunking sound, and I'm thinking it was this thing. So I think, I'm not too familiar with big trucks like this, but I'm thinking that this here is the clutch brake. As you can see, the rivet is broken off on one side. On this side, it's nice and flat. It was full of grease and oil though. And on this side, it's pretty worn down. As you can see, it's actually wearing onto the rivet here. Now it is like a surface, like the surface. You can see it's steel, and it's got like a brake pad surface, one on each side. So I'm thinking that this is what's called a clutch brake. There's the number there, Haldex BK 313, and you can see the little whatever these things are called, and they go into those really long splines on the input shaft, like that. As you can see, so I'm pretty glad I removed the transmission, because if this thing had broken off in there and started flying around, that would have been really bad. Or just been flying around like that. This would have been at high speed. That would have been really bad. So I think it goes, I'm not sure if it goes all the way, must go all the way to the back there. So we'll have to either rebuild or replace this.